Hello everyone, it's Neil. And what we're going to do today is unbox the, what is this? What is this?
BB-8.
Alright, the BB-8. And I gave this to my baby for
Valentine's Day.
Alright, so go ahead and let's open it. We got it from Amazon and it came in this nice box. It's very nicely wrapped. So go ahead, let's cut it. Right here. There you go. Alright. So, you want to open it, baby? Okay. Look at that. Look at that box. Show them maybe how the box looks like. Show it all around. That way, the front, the back. Anything underneath? No, nothing under there. Okay, yeah, so it's nicely wrapped. It's a nice black box. So we're gonna go ahead. There's a few tapes right here. So let's go ahead and take these out. Put that there. I'm gonna have you take it out, baby, after. Okay. You want to take it out? So it seems pretty heavy. Okay, go ahead. Okay. And what we have here, show it to them, baby, is the BB-8 symbol. You guys see that? Baby, point to it. Right there, and go ahead and lift that up and see. Let's see what we have. Whoa, it says right there. What does that say?
Star Wars.
Louder.
Star Wars.
All right, so let's go and open that up. And cool. So we have instructions right here. And it pretty much just shows you, what to do when you unbox it and take it out of its plastic. So pretty good stuff. So there's BB-8. At the bottom of the base is the actual, hold that up, baby, show it to them, is the actual USB cable. So this is what you're going to be using to charge the base, its landing pad. So there you go. And some goodies. Look at that. I don't know if I'm going to read all this stuff, but yeah. If you guys have some time, you can read it. Star Wars. And in a nice box. So, there's BB-8. Baby, you want to go ahead and take it out? So, there's the base. Can you grab it out? Ooh,
Charging.
that's for charging, right? Yeah, it's made out of plastic. You guys can see it. It's circular, made by Sphero. Again, this is the charging base. So all you have to do is get your USB cable, plug it in, and come on. And here's the other end. Bam! You can go ahead and plug it into an outlet or a probably your iPhone outlet. But go ahead and pull out BB-8. Ooh. Okay. Stuck. Oh yeah, he's in there pretty tight. Oh man.
Body comes out first.
Okay, the body does come. So take out the body. Ooh, this is pretty heavy. Ooh. So if you guys can see, it's relatively, hold on, I'll be back. Compare it to a pool table ball. You can see the difference. There, you hold that up. See? So now you can see the size of the BB-8's body. All right. So then go ahead and get the head out. Ooh, it has a little, show them closer. It has a little antenna, 2 antennas up there. And then show the eyes. Okay, there's no more thing, no more, okay. So we'll put this aside. And so here's the head. Go put the head on.
Where's the head go?
Maybe the head goes on top of the 8 ball.
No.
Are you sure? Let's try. Boop. So go ahead and put it on there.
Which one? Is there
Huh?
plastic?
Oh, there's plastic underneath there. Oh yeah. Okay. Piece of plastic you forgot to remove.
Which one is this?
Anywhere, just put it on top and see what happens. Okay, put it on here. It has like a stabilizer in there. So like if you put it up like this, it goes back to normal. It knows a position it should be in. So I guess it's right there. So yeah, so put it on top. On top here. There. Is it sticking?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So there you go. There's BB-8. Let's see if you move it. Oh, it just goes in a circle. Okay, so go get your iPad. Let's see if this works. We downloaded an app called, just search on your app store if you have an iPhone for BB-8, and it's the first one. So go ahead and download it. Put it louder. So this is what you'll hear. So it says, hold your droid near BB-8. Oh, no BB-8 detected. So there must be something in here that we need to switch.
Is it in the wrong place?
I don't think so.
No, it's not supposed to be on there.
Oops. There you go.
Get close.
Trouble connecting? Well, let's see if it connects.
He's right here.
Let me see. So we're charging the BB-8, and so this is what happens when you plug it in. You just use a normal iPhone or smartphone adapter at the end. But as you can see, BB-8 starts moving already. Look at that. When the blue lights stop blinking, can you point at baby girl?
There?
Yeah, when the blue light stops blinking, that means it's fully charged. And usually they say it generally charges like 3 hours, and once it's charged, then you can actually connect it to your phone. So you can see BB-8 blinking there too. He's ready to roll around, huh, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go. So we'll be back in
3 hours.
3 hours. Ciao. Alright, so it's 3 hours later, and now look at BB-8. The lights are all blue, right, baby girl? Point at it over there, show everybody. Alright, so go ahead and unplug it. Alright, so now we have BB-8, he's fully charged. And now we're going to go ahead and launch the app. Let's see what happens. It's connecting, initializing.
Let's go.
Wow. Looks like it's updating some firmware right now.
What's happening?
Pretty interesting. Up to 37, 40 firmware updating. Very nice.
It's almost there. Oh.
What does it say on the iPad, baby?
What?
What does it say on
Pick
there?
up the BB-8 with...
Take control.
Wait. Take control of BB-8 with your smart device.
Okay, so go ahead and grab your iPad. Press it. And see what you can do. Go ahead and control it.
What is doing?
I don't know. What are you pressing?
I'm doing that.
Pretty cool, huh? Let me dim the lights a little bit so you can see the actual. Oops. Yeah, it's okay. That's fine. You gotta make it do some stuff, maybe. Show the control. Show the control pad.
Right here.
Okay, put it on the. Okay. Okay, show them what you're doing.
What is that?
So there's some controls here where you can make BB-8 do things.
Oh, I hit the thing. Right here. Oh.
Uh-oh. That wasn't good. Okay.
The heck?
What happened?
What?
I think there's like special commands on there, baby girl. Okay. Let me see that so I can see. Okay, go ahead. Line up BB-8 with the screen.
Whoa!
Whoa! He's showing R2-D2.
Let's see the other one. Let's see.
Yeah, let's try it.
See that one.
On my command.
Where's it at?
Ooh.
To your ships now. Report to my divisional ones. On my command.
Well, let's see the other turn.
Let's go back to let's do this. Oops.
Patrol?
Patrol.
What is that?
I don't know, let's see. I think he goes around. Okay.
Whoa.
He starts moving around. Look, it's okay. He goes by himself.
What is it doing?
It's patrolling, baby. Oh!
It's over there.
In patrol mode right now.
Mommy, come here. Okay, want to see it move? Come on. Come on, Mommy. Mommy, come here. Want to see it move?
It's in patrol mode right now. So it's searching. Patrol. Okay, turn it off, baby. Okay. So that was our review on unboxing of the BB-8. There's control one more time, and there is BB-8. Enjoy. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys get one. I think this guy is pretty cool. Go ahead and spin for us, BB-8. See ya.